Who is the founder of the TrapEAZE technique? Dr. Justin Mandel is a doctor of Oriental medicine and acupuncture physician who works far out of the box by developing specialized non-invasive treatments that have nothing to do with acupuncture or inserting needles. His first patented treatment with external urinary health aid that he developed for overactive bladder is called the bladder re-expansion technique. Harvard fascinatingly called it intriguing after their exhaustive review of its study protocol. It works by allowing the bladder to naturally fill all the way up by creating space in the abdomen and pelvic areas. Its maxim is that when space increases for the bladder to fill up, urinary symptoms decrease. Being no stranger to inventing, he also co-developed Freedom Belt, a patented award-winning post-surgical drainage belt. He also co-developed TubeIt, a surgical drainage ecosystem that follows patients after they left the hospital who have a catheter surgically implanted inside of them with drainage bag. His latest patent-pending treatment that will be available to doctors early in 2023 that he's worked on for the past 20 years is called the TrapEAZE Technique. The secret behind its terrific success rate is that it easily rids patients of their agonizing pain in only 4 steps by treating the upper back in stages. It helps doctors to earn more and practice less because it takes less than 4 minutes per treatment. Practitioners will get to utilize the healthcare industry's most complete report of finding with care plan. Beyond that, as the new gold standard for continuing education courses, TrapEAZE Technique practitioners will get to access to its proprietary doctor's dream marketing system that helps to generate new targeted upper back pain patients. Click now to attend a free online upper back pain specialty training workshop where Dr. Justin will teach a wide variety of important topics pertaining to effective upper back pain treatment.